Namaste. Today I'll be rendering Rag Bilaskani Todi. It's a blend of both Asavri and Todi, as referred to from Bhatkandish Ji's book. And it comes from, it has been emanated from Bhairavi Thad. Bhairavi as such is referred to as Shakti, the feminine force of the cosmic force as such, the feminine aspect. So I think Bhairav as Shiva and Bhairavi as Shakti. So, you know, it's synonymous to this aspect as such. And also when you refer to Bhairavi Thad and, you know, the Swaras as such, they say that the goddess emerged out of the burial ground, and that's how this raga, I mean this Thad, and then, you know, even Bhairavi raga as such emanated. So this I was referring to when I was, you know, reading up literature on, you know, what is the Thad system, because Charukeshi belongs to Carnatic. But many songs and bandishes have been rendered in Charukesi in Hindustani also. So definitely it must have a Thad system, though some of them have said Thad is not specified. But that in that sense, when I was referring, they said that this comes from that, you know, it belongs to Bhairavi Thad, and Bhairavi is the goddess that has emerged from the burial ground. Okay. So anyway, so Bilaskani Todi also belongs to Bhairavi Thad, and where the Vadi Swara, the predominant Swara is Dhaivat, and the, you know, next to it, or the supportive Swara is the Gandhar. Okay, so Dha and G. Alright, then apart from this, now the stanzas or the verses that I am going to render is Prata Bela Omkara Vandana Veda Dhvani Suramay Hari 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 Ramate. So Pratha is morning, Bela time, Omkara Vandana, it is the time for Omkara. Veda Dhvani Suramay. So the dhvanis, from the chants, from the Vedic mantras, you know, the Rik, all those different swaras that emanate, those are so peaceful, those are so mellifluous to be listening to, melodious. So Hari 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 Ramate, I'm always thinking of the Lord. Early morning, that is the best time for meditation, that's the best time for japa, that's the best time for remembrance also. Jaga Sabanadaru. So the entire world is nothing but the cosmic, you know, emanates from the cosmic sound system, and of course the surrounding other elements of nature. So Raga Tala Rasamaya. So this, the ragas have emanated from the primordial sound, Omkara, and also the Nad as such. When we talk about Anudata, Udata, Swarita, these are different octaves of swaras. So these, how from there we have, you know, brought in so many ragas, which are nothing but a composition of swaras. The pattern of swaras makes a raga. Okay. So, and then of course the rhythmic force of the universe, the rhythmic energy. You know, there is a rhyme and rhythm in the whole universe if we observe you know, keenly. So that itself, that led to Tala. Okay, so, and then he says it's Rasamaya. Obviously it's attractive, it's interesting, it's absorbing. And Shruti Jnana Dhyaname. So without Shruti, without the pitch, without the tonal quality, Shruti Maya. So even in, say when birds are flying around chirping, or you find the cloud bursts, okay, or the raindrops, pitter-patter raindrops as we say, all these will have a certain type of sound nuances, which has led to the development of the Shruti Jnana as such. So this Shruti Jnana, if you keep it in dhyana mein, so of course, and the people with the perfect pitch and intonation, they make very good singers. So the Shruti is so important for us to be relating to. And those who do not possess, suppose for example, by chance there are certain, I'm not able to get the Shruti correctly, so I may be making some apaswaras, or the waves, the frequency waves of the sound waves are, moving in a little distorted manner. So yet the knowledge, it doesn't stop you from learning about how music emanated, how the sound system emanated, and what is this primordial sound, and what are the different styles of music. So irrespective of today's children, whether they're going in for fusion music or instrumental music, and there's a lot of symphony, different types of, you can talk about Mozart, you can talk about plenty of musicians the world over, Beethoven as such. So when you listen to their violin, their instruments when they're playing, they're equally good to listen to. But when we are referring, the script as such would be in reference to what is happening here, what we are relating to, the language, the lingo is all from the Indian perspective point of view. Okay, so universally speaking, raga, tala, rasamaya and Shruti Jnana is very, very important. So whether you can sing or not, at least knowledge, information, reading, researching is very important. And if you're able to deliver, so be it. That would be really, a good, what do you call it? It's an asset. It's an asset, and we have to feel blessed. Thank you. So we go on to this Rag Bilas Kani Todi. This is in Sultan. Ni sa re ni dha 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 sa re ga ma re ga re sa re ga श्रुति ज्ञान ध्यान में हरिहर गुणी भजते हरिहर गुणी भजते सारे ग म ग रे ग प ग नि ध ध म ग रे सा ग म ग ग ग रे ग ग ग ध ग ग ग रे ग रे नि ध ध सा ओंकार ni ni da da sa ma pa pa ni ni da da sa ma pa pa re ga re re ga re ni da ni sa re ga re sa sa re ga re re pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa re dha 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 re ni dha sa ga ga ma ma pa pa ma ma ga ga dha dha ni da da ni da 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 ga ma ga re sa da ni sa re re da ni sa re ga re dha dha ni sa sa re ma pa dha pa dha dha ma pa ga re re ni dha sa Ra